Today we're going to be changing the reverse taillight on our 2010 Ford Edge. What you'll need for this job is a ratchet, extension, and socket. It's an 8mm. Let's get started. First thing you do is take these two bolts out right here. All right, now we're going to slide our light out, and it is this top bulb up here. Just twist it, pop it out, and we'll put in a new one. The bulb we're going to use is a 921 long life Sylvania bulb. You can get it at AutoZone or Advance or O'Reilly's, wherever you want to go. Put it in and twist, and let's put our light back in. Now let's give it a test. And that's how you change your reverse light on your 2010 Ford Edge. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.